Great stuff. Thanks, Christine. Wonderful to see Clemens stepping up in a big way.
Absolutely, and luckily the weather warmed up a little bit for them out there today, Lainey. It's not quite as blistering cold as it was yesterday.
Yeah, I gave Christine her weather debrief last night. I said, you might need the hat, and yeah, it's definitely going to be windy, but not as cold. We had 50s out there today, so that's pretty pleasant, right? Warmest day of December so far. We'll take it. 56 was the high today, actually above normal. Our normal this time of year is about 53, but boy, it was cold out there this morning at 29. So we're still in the 50s across much of the Triad, but we've already dipped into the 40s up toward the Virginia border from Martinsville to Danbury. Sparta's at 37 right now. Wilkesboro, you're at 46. We still have winds out of the southwest ahead of that front at about 10 to 15 miles an hour, but that cold northwest wind is starting to replace it. And those wind gusts still 20 to 30 miles an hour across our region. Earlier today, we had gusts at 30 to 40 miles an hour, both in the Triad and in the mountains. Here comes the front, and with it comes at least a little bit of precipitation. So you take a look here. We've got the clouds. We have some pretty dry air, but I do think some of this is making it to the ground in the form of rain and snow in the mountains. And we do have an advisory out for Grayson, Ashland, Watauga for 1 to 3 inches of snow. We'll still see some light snow amounts, I think, in parts of Carroll as well as Allegheny counties. Could get some sprinkles or a light rain shower to come down all the way to the ground east of the mountains, but we're not expecting it to amount to too much out there. You do see some wet roadways in spots, as well as some icy conditions up into the mountains, and additional snowfall could be quite high in places like Boone and up toward Banner Elk. Lighter amounts expected across Allegheny and Grayson and Carroll counties. This is the map for 5 o'clock. That's where we are now. We'll move forward, and you can see a transition to snow, and then snow continuing in the mountains late night, overnight, and then winding down tomorrow morning. Everyone is close to freezing in the morning with temperatures in the low 30s, and it's going to feel a lot colder during the day tomorrow. That northwest wind at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. That means feels like temperatures in the morning will be in the single digits and teens in the mountains. Will be in the low 20s for feels like across the Triad, and then even into the afternoon, those feels like temperatures remain in the 30s east of the mountains and in the teens and 20s in our mountain towns. So even though we've got a forecast high of 43, which is easily 10 degrees colder than today, you're going to need to dress for those 30s with that wind. There is a lot of sunshine in the forecast for tomorrow. Sunny skies too in the foothills, also brisk wind, high temperature about 42. And in the mountains, we're in the mid to upper 20s, and we've got a high of 32 tomorrow afternoon with a few passing clouds. A lot of parades coming up this weekend. Bundle up. Advance, Thomasville, Madison, Mayodan, temperatures in the 40s with mostly sunny skies. Walnut Cove, Boone, and Gibsonville Saturday afternoon, a little bit warmer by then. Should get close to 50 in some of those communities. And then for Saturday evening, turning colder, of course, with temperatures that are in the mid 40s to 50s for Eden as well as Ramseur. And then on Sunday, you've got Elkin and Jonesville as well as Louisville. It is going to be colder then, chilly air, temperatures around 40 degrees. Here's the 7-day forecast. We do have a small chance of rain overnight Saturday into Sunday. We're also watching some precipitation for Friday that'll be right along the Virginia border.
Getting a check on traffic right now. A live look at Salem Parkway at Cloverdale Avenue in Winston-Salem. A bit of a backup here. There are no crashes being reported, but rush hour traffic is pretty backed up. You see a lot of brake lights on right now. Just keep that in mind if this is part of you or a loved one's commute this afternoon.